Alright, with your car finished, we need to do two more things to prepare it for machining. Create a spigot at the front and create a pad at the back. We'll create the spigot at the front first, so let's manipulate our view, choose the back face, and open a new sketch. Get that sketch, get it into view, and we want to create a circle that will be a diameter of, doesn't really matter, but something smaller, like about 10 millimeters. And it should be from this plane to the center of the circle, so we control pick those two. 19 millimeters should be okay. And we want to make sure that it is coincident with this plane. So we'll just apply a geometric constraint there. Exit the workbench and we'll pad this. Now we don't want that going all the way through the entire car, so when we pad it, we will choose a starting point and an ending point. So the more dialog box, so we will type in 210 for the first limit. Change our arrow, and for the second limit we're going to type in 190 to see how that looks. Negative 190, let's try that. There we go. So it's just machining from the front, from up here out. 190 is not quite enough, so we'll change that to 170. See how that looks? That looks a little better. So on my car it's 210 and negative 170, and just say OK. Now that creates a small spigot on the front which will hold our car solidly in the machining fixture at the front. This gets cut off and sanded off after. Balsa wood is so easy to sand. On the back we need to create a small pad, so we're going to open another sketch on the back. In this case it's going to be a rectangle or a square of 70 by 70. So let's put those dimensions on, change them 70, 70, and let's put in a diagonal line as well. Make sure it goes diagonally endpoint to endpoint. Now we can control pick that diagonal axis line. Sorry, it's not a regular line, it's a construction line or an axis. Control pick that and the origin point and make a geometric constraint of midpoint. So that's now at the very middle of the car, which helps considerably when we go to program this in the CNC software. We want to make a pad out of that pointing away from the car just 1 millimeter. And your car is now prepared for the CNC translation. All that we need to do is file, save it as an STL file, and we are good. So file, save as, we'll change our file type to STL. The file name you give it should be your own name, so that it's different from everybody else's, and just go ahead and save it. That file can now be transferred to the computer with the CNC software on it, and we can program it and cut your car out. That's it.